the most well-known diets that often comes into play, and it's especially good for heart health, what we hear from cardiologists is the Mediterranean diet. Can you tell us a little bit about the food groups that make up the Mediterranean diet?
Yes. So the Mediterranean diet is one of the most well-researched diets that we have that offers that prevention aspect for heart disease and maybe even some other things like longevity. So the Mediterranean diet is not the diet that people usually have in mind when they hear the word diet of like restriction. The Mediterranean diet is a healthy eating pattern. So what makes that pattern is an abundance of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds, beans, so it's actually almost like a plant base that makes up the Mediterranean diet. But then there is moderate amounts of animal and limited amounts of red meat and sweets. So you don't really see a restriction of some food groups, but you do see an abundance of the plant side. You see healthy fats. That's another big component of the Mediterranean diet. Now, the Mediterranean diet's not necessarily prescribed for weight loss. With weight loss, it would have to be the Mediterranean diet pattern with a little calorie restriction, but just following the pattern for overall heart health and longevity is a good idea.
Other than heart health, like what other benefits does the Mediterranean diet have for us? Is it good for our skin, maybe our hair?
Part of the Mediterranean diet, the biggest attention it gets is heart disease, because that is one of the biggest chronic diseases that affects men and women internationally. So, when we talk about blood pressure, healthy cholesterol levels, the Mediterranean diet pattern offers a lot of benefits for prevention and even management of these conditions because you're choosing the right types of fats.